SAP Career Journey, final recap. Hi everyone, my name is Milos, SAP Logistics Solution Architect for Cortrust, and today I'm in the beautiful city of Veve, and I lived here for quite some years, so I know the place, but it's been a long time. Very happy to be back, and I wanted to show you the famous fork in the lake right here in front of the Elementary Museum, signifying the food and the love for food. Not sure if you can see it, but you can find some pictures as well on the internet. There's literally a very big fork in the lake. And today I just wanted to do a final recap of what we discussed in the previous videos on the SAP Career Journey. So what we've seen is how do you actually get through the door if you don't know yet SAP? How do you start as a junior business analyst, a starting level consultant? And then how do you move up the ranks, right? What does it take to become a consultant? So for example, we said at the beginning to be very humble, to be of service, that in the beginning it's more important to just get project experience because you can learn really a ton, whatever the module. And that then progressing through the career as you become consultant, it's actually makes sense, it's important, or let's say it makes it a lot easier to progress in the career if you have a very strong vertical, so you're really an expert in a specific area. And then moving to senior consultant, starting to manage a team of people, starting to take more responsibility in the project, and finally moving to different career paths. Project manager was one, solution architect was another. Hope you enjoyed all the videos, and I'm just wondering and wanted to ask you, if you want to see all this in a very nice document, I was thinking of building a roadmap, a potential roadmap for the SAP Career Journey, right? So for anyone, either they're starting or their middle career, what is the roadmap and the best things to do when you're moving up the ranks and when you're progressing in your career. If you're interested for me to build such a document, to build the SAP Career Journey roadmap, then just write the roadmap in the comments. It's going to be an indication for me that it's something interesting and I should spend some time on building. Otherwise, no offense taken. Of course, any feedback is always welcome. I want to do something that is useful for you out there, and if you found this video useful and you found the other videos useful, do provide a feedback as well. That's really appreciated. Just put it down in the comments as usual. So a big bye from here, from Veve, Switzerland, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Tomorrow we'll be talking about the next topic, and again, let me know, roadmap in the comments if you want me to build an SAP Career Journey roadmap. See you soon everyone, have a great day, bye.